There are many ways of cooking French beans, but here I am sharing a North Indian style of making French beans. Hi, this is Ruchi, and let's get started. Here I have about 400 grams of French beans. I have washed them, and the next step is to string them. Here I have the beans that I have already cleaned up. The strings have been removed, and now you chop them in small pieces. Once the beans are chopped, the next thing is to chop potatoes. So I have taken two small potatoes, and there is no hard and fast rule. You can take more, you can take less. So just peel them, wash them, and then chop them in small pieces because you want to keep the potato pieces almost to the size of the beans that you have cut. Heat a pan. I have taken a cast iron pan. Add some oil, about 1 tablespoon. And once it is hot, add about 3/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds. They will start to puff up. You can visibly see the difference. And then you add the potatoes and saute them till they are light brown. Keep the heat to low because otherwise potatoes may burn and also the cumin seeds may burn, and keep stirring it once in a while. Once the potatoes are light brown, add ginger and green chilies, grated ginger and chopped green chilies. If you don't want to add them, that's fine, they are optional. And saute them a little bit. Keep the heat to low and then add rest of the spices. So half teaspoon of turmeric powder, quarter teaspoon of red chili powder, and about 1.5 teaspoons of dry coriander powder. And then saute them till they are fragrant. Now add the beans to it and add about 3/4 teaspoon of salt and mix them. If the pan looks too dry or the mixture looks too dry, add a little bit of water and keep the heat to low and cover it and cook it. Every 2-3 minutes, open the lid and stir it so that they don't stick, they don't burn. And if you feel that it is too dry, it is sticking to the bottom, add a little bit of water. Continue this process till the time you see that the potatoes are soft. At that point, you can do the finishing touches. You add half a teaspoon of garam masala and about half a teaspoon of dried mango powder to it. Mix it and turn off the heat, and the side dish is ready. Serve it hot with cooked lentils, yogurt, and tortilla. Alternatively, you can also serve it with hot rice and cooked lentils. Hope you enjoy it.